Hey guys, welcome to the Twins Take, and today I'm going to show you how to make a picture of the Pokemon Fennekin. It's known as the Fox Pokemon because it looks like a fox with a fire type Pokemon. Really cool abilities. So first I'm going to start from bottom with little circle feet. So what you're going to do, you will want to make a little circle there and then go up here. Okay, step 2, you're going to make a little line here because of the shape of her foot and the pose she's sitting in. Now you're going to do the same thing opposite on this side, and then you want to do the same little curve right there as the same you did on this. Now you're going to want to go a curve up and kind of go outwards and inwards until you stop there. And now you want to do the same on this side. Okay, so that was her chest body. Now you want to draw her feet. So draw a little over here, and then a little over here. But this oval is going to be kind of connected to the and behind her to the foot. So it's not going to be a perfect oval like this one. It's going to be outer like this. Okay, so she has something like little wings on the back. She has like wing-shaped stuff on the back of her feet. I don't really know why. It's probably just the shape of the Pokemon. It's like she has 2 long feathers. So you want to do 2 long curved things, and then a little straight line here that's going to connect to the foot. Now you can use your marker to make the feathers look a little sharper. So now we'll start on the head. You start with like a nice oval line here. Red is kind of tilted like this maybe. So you want one side higher up than the other. So now you're going to make some little fox whiskers. So you want to do the curve, and then you want to go inside the head. Okay. So the head goes up like this, and then you leave a little gap in the middle so we can draw the ears later. And then another time, and then do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to start on her eyes, which are a fiery red and I like her eyes because she has kind of an outline around them, and then no bottom, and then her and then there's her eye, and I think it's really fascinating. So you want to start from here and do a nice curve down there, and you kind of want to make it a little bigger over here, and then it curves down to a small little line. Cut. Now we're going to draw her eye, which starts right before the one pointing toward the nose ends, and then just a little oval connecting. Okay, now we're going to draw a small slit in her eye that should be the pupil. Okay, we drew the little slit, the pupil. Now we're going to add a highlight to her eye. Now we're going to do the next eye, which it looks just like this one. So you drew our little oval part, like we did on this side, and we're going to draw our pupil, a little slit, and our highlight. Now we're going to draw our nose, a little button nose that's about that big. And then it's black, so we're going to color it in. Make it blacker down here, and then a little lighter just up there. Now we're going to draw the mouth. She has 2 little sharp teeth on either side of her mouth, and she's smiling with her mouth open. Okay, so we're going to draw those little teeth on either side of her mouth, like that. So don't make them sharp. You just want like a light, nice round edge to it. Now we're going to draw her tongue. Okay, and there's her tongue. Now we're going to draw her whiskers on her and add another line there. And we're going to add one here and then one here. Okay? So now what we're going to do, we're going to add her big ears. So what we want to do, we'll just start from here. Make a little dot there. And you're going to make it go up like this, all the way up there. A line just like that, and a line down. Okay, so only make it about that much down, because there's like a poof of red fur that looks like fire coming out of her ears. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a nice line here that connects to this line before we did the little dot. Okay, so now we're going to do the fire. We're gonna do 2 fur poofs, and then we're gonna start from at least the middle in here and go up and down, and then we're gonna start right below the head. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna add a little curved line here, dividing the fur right here. Okay. So now we can draw a little longer depending on where your fur is, and then we're gonna draw the end of the ear right here. Okay. Now we're gonna draw a little line, and then do the same thing up here. And we have our little curve just like that. And we're gonna, instead of doing it that way up, we're gonna do it that way up, so the opposite side. Okay, so we got a little poof of fur right here that doesn't touch the head. And then we're going to start on this big poof of fur that's divided. Let's add one more here. So now it's going to get to the top, and then it's going to go down, just like we did on there. We're going to make the end of the ear here. And now she has her color, nice, so it's white, and then it stops here, and then there's the eye, and that's all white. And then it's over her nose, and then it's her eye, and then it goes back to her cheeks. So, you don't want to color that. Plus, the last part of her body is her tail and her one of the details of her face. So it looks like she's like squinting, or she's like doing this with her head, but in a happy way. Okay, so now we're gonna draw her tail. If you want to watch more videos, I have an Eevee video, and her tail is kind of like that. It is a nice poof to it. So we're gonna make it just almost touch that cheek fur up there, and then we're going to make it go back down in a nice poofy way. Instead of Eevee's tail being a bunch of zigzags to do her tail, we're just gonna do just a nice 3 smooth zigzags like that. And there you've got Eevee. Now I'm gonna show you the colors of her. So pretty much fire colors, but there's red, there's yellow, and there's white. So I'm going to start on the on some orange shading over here, and then I'm going to do some shading over here. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of a hint of orange, and then the rest of the ear dark orange. Okay, now you want to do that on the same ear, just like that. Hint of orange to the red, and then the rest of dark orange. Okay, so now you want to add a red over the orange on the poof of the ear you just did. A little darker shading over here, and then make this a little more red. Okay, let's add a little more orange to the shading right here. And then voila, you've got that fire color and a nice poof of ear color. Okay, now we're going to do the same part to this, but without any shading. Nice red, and then some orange. Or if you have the perfect crimson orange color, then you can just use that. Now we're going to start on some yellow. But first we're going to do some of the darker shading that I don't have another yellow to do. So we're going to do a little shading here for the inside of the ear and a little more here. Okay, now we're going to add some at the bottom of her chin, just across there. And now we're going to add a little more over here, both ears. So the shading gets a little bit bigger over here. Okay, now we're going to do the tail. So this is a bit, we're going to make a little line there and then add some shading over there. Because that's the ground and the sun is near up here. So the shadow should be in this corner. Okay, so now we're going to do a shading here. So you want one line here, and then you're going to take your pen and you're going to just turn it that way. So it's kind of like down and then it goes that way. So that's what we're going to do on here. So you want to leave it this spot yellow, and then you want to draw the rest of it dark gray. But first you want to leave this, because up here you kind of only want to do here, and then the rest of this little spot is bright. So you want to do the rest of the shading except that. Okay, so now under her chin, because shadow casting because of this, we're going to do some shading over here, and a little deeper by her arms, and then a little higher up there. Okay. So you're doing a light sketch on there. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing we've done on this, except a little lower on here. Okay, and we're going to add some shading here. And then we can add some shading a little at her feet. Double feet. There. Now we're going to color our Fennekin in. So most of her body is yellow. Okay, so you don't want to draw this part, so I just did a little bit there with that, but that's okay because we're back. So now what we're going to do, you see this little curve right here. That's going to be leaved right. So you want to make a little dot right there, saying that this is going to be right, and above that is going to be yellow. So then this part of her eye is still white, and then it's that part, and then it's still white. So you want that part? Okay. So come up here. Only draw that. And leave all of the sketch of her eye white. So let's draw the ears now. Let's add a little orange to here. So all the shadows we did on the yellow and not the white. Now we're going to add some orange to the yellow that we did. Okay, now we're going to work on the eyes. The eyes are a fiery red, like both of these color, and just like the ears. So, as we do the ears, we want a nice red to it. Leave out the white in the highlights. And then a nice orange to it. Now, it's kind of like a deep red, so you can keep going as long as you want until you think it's your choice. Now we're going to draw the tongue and the mouth. So the tongue is a nice pink, but I use my red marker because I could just draw it a little lighter on the paper instead of pushing really hard. And that would make a nice pink for the tongue. Now on the place where it's not the tongue, you want a nice deep point. Okay, and that's how you draw Fennekin. It's a fire type Pokemon, also known as the fox Pokemon. The herd of the eggs are a field, and she's a fire Pokemon, and I just think that everyone that you draw a Pokemon, I did Pikachu, and his tail looks like a lightning bolt, and he's an electric type Pokemon, so that would make sense. And I thought that the line on her ears would make sense because that looks like fire, and she's a fire type Pokemon. So there's Victini. She's the colors of fire. She's actually a fairy type Pokemon. So that's interesting about Pokemon. They're not always as they seem. That's Fennekin. Subscribe to the Twins Take and like. Bye! And comment below if you want me to draw anything else. Bye! Like and subscribe!